Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. My name is Mauli Ashari from Digital Marketing Study Program with student number 17025200051. Today, I would like to present my research proposal for my thesis titled Tomorrow Coffee Marketing Communication Strategy on TikTok. Chapter 1, Introduction. The background of my research is, according to the Ministry of Industry, the food and beverage industry contributes significantly to Indonesia's economic progress and is expected to continue to grow 7% in 2024. So, with that increasing growth, the competition is getting tighter in this industry. In the midst of intense competition, entrepreneurs in this field are required to innovate and formulate effective marketing communication strategies to attract consumer interest. APKCI or Asosiasi Pengusaha Kopi dan Coklat Indonesia estimates that the number of coffee shops in Indonesia will reach 10,000 shops with trillions in revenue in 2023. Based on data from the International Coffee Organization or ICO reported by dataindonesia.id, Indonesia is in fifth position as the country with the most coffee consumption in the world. Various local and international coffee shops brands have spread widely in Indonesia. One of them is Tomorrow Coffee. I choose Tomorrow Coffee for this research because they are a new brand that first operated in 2022 and now has more than 400 stores reaching various regions in Indonesia. It can be said that they are able to compete in this industry. Tomorrow Coffee using TikTok as a tool for its marketing communication strategy. Based on the result of the datareportal.com survey, TikTok advertising reach in Indonesia increased by 19.1% between October 2023 and January 2024. As we seen from this image, Tomorrow Coffee has a TikTok account named @tomorrowcoffee.id with 200,000 followers as of May 2024. But Tomorrow Coffee's TikTok posts have low engagement, indicating a lack of interaction and appeal. This suggests that the content needs to be improved to attract more viewers and encourage interactions. Here are some examples of problems in negative comments that I have outlined based on the AIDA model. The research question is, what are Tomorrow Coffee's marketing communication strategies on TikTok? The research purposes is to find out the extent of Tomorrow Coffee's marketing communication strategy on TikTok. The benefit of research is one theoretical. The benefit is to providing benefits for the development of marketing knowledge and becoming a reference for future researches. And two is practical benefit is to insight for coffee shop business people to understand the cognitive stage of consumers in the process of purchasing products on TikTok. Chapter 2, Library Study. The researched concept. Number 1 is marketing communications. Sudarsono in 2020 revealed that marketing communication is a link between a company and its market. So the relationship between them is built with the aim of conveying information, persuading, influencing, and reminding potential consumers about the product it produces. Number two is AIDA theory. According to Paramita and Manafe in 2022, AIDA is a marketing strategy that examines each cognitive stage that consumers go through when buying a product or service. AIDA is an acronym that stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. It is a marketing model that describes the four steps that a customer goes through before making a purchase. Here are some previous research that I used in this research. One of them is Paramita and Manafe in 2022 with the research title Personal Selling Implementation and AIDA Model, which found that CV Malcon uses the AIDA strategy and model as a marketing guide for products, which involves the stage of attention, interest, desire, and action to achieve effective marketing goals. Chapter 3, Research Method. Number one is place and time. I use DKI Jakarta for place and starting this research from May until June 2024. Number two is research design. I use qualitative approach using the case study method. Number three is data research. Number three is data search. There is primary data, contains observations and interviews, and there is secondary data, contains books, journals, theses, and websites. Number four is research sample. I use 15 people for the number of sample in this research. Data collection techniques. Number one is observation. The observation made were observations on the official TikTok account at tomorrowcoffee.id. Number two is interview. Interview were conducted with Tomorrow Coffee consumers. Here are some lists of interview questions with a total of 20 questions, and each element of AIDA has 5 questions. Next is number 3 is documentation. Documentation in this research was carried out by taking photos that occurred during observations and interviews activities. Number 4 is triangulation. Researchers use search triangulation, which means data is obtained from different research using the same technique. The data validity technique. Number 1 is credibility test. Extend observations, increase precision, carry out triangulation, discuss with colleges, use reference materials, and verify with research participants. Number 2 is transferability test. To checking the extent to which the research result can be applied to the population from which the research sample were taken, shows the relevance and accuracy of the research result. Number 3 is dependability test. Examination can be carried out by supervisors with the aim of examining all research activity. The data analysis technique, according to Sugiono in 2022, the data analysis technique is a systematic process that involves searching and compiling data from various sources, such as interviews, observations, and documentation. This process consists of 3 main stages, namely data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawing or verification. Thank you for the opportunity to present my research. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.